Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So it's Patch Tuesday time again, and Microsoft has rolled out our Windows 10 March Patch Tuesday security update for those of us who have been signed up to the ESU Extended Security Updates program for Windows 10. So you'll only get this mandatory compulsory update if you are signed up to the ESU. If not, you will not receive this update. Now, the update rolled out late yesterday in my part of the world on the 10th of March. And for this month, if we head into View Update History, for Windows 10 ESU, we get KB5078885. And if we just head to WinVer, because it is, as mentioned, a mandatory update, just to get to our About Windows. Version 22H2 OS build is sitting on 19045.7058 after the update has been applied. Now, the Patch Tuesday updates that roll out on the second Tuesday of every month, first and foremost, include security fixes. And for this month, while no 0 days were reported as actively exploited for Windows 10, for this month, the update patches 2 publicly disclosed flaws that could lead to elevation of privilege or denial of service. So that's important. And then it also addresses 3 critical flaws, primarily focusing on remote code execution and information disclosure vulnerabilities. And then we get elevation of privilege, vulnerabilities that have been patched, remote code execution, and so on. So an important security update rolling out for Windows 10 for those on the ESU updates. Now, because there are no optional updates that roll out for Windows 10 anymore towards the end of the month, Microsoft has bundled a couple of improvements in with this update, where first of all, Microsoft has improved the Windows System Image Manager, where Microsoft says this update adds a warning dialog to help users confirm that the selected catalog file comes from a trusted source. Microsoft has also improved the file history in the control panel when backing up files. So new files with names containing some Chinese and private use area characters can now be backed up. And there's an improvement for graphics where Microsoft is addressing a stability issue affecting certain GPU configurations. So that's important. And then, as I have been posting over the last while, the secure boot certificates used by most Windows devices are set to expire starting in June of this year, 2026. And with this update, Microsoft is obviously pushing out the new secure boot certificates on a more wider basis. So with this update, Microsoft says Windows quality updates include additional high confidence device targeting data, increasing coverage of devices eligible to automatically receive new secure boot certificates. So devices receive new certificates only after Microsoft says demonstrating sufficient successful update signals, maintaining a controlled and phased rollout. Now that's quite a mouthful, but basically at the end of the day, if you are running Windows 10 unsupported, you will not get the new secure boot certificates. So just take note of that. You have to be signed up to the ESU. And for most, as I have posted previously, the secure boot certificates, the updated ones, will roll out through Windows Update. So with this update, Microsoft is making those more widely available. So small little update, but quite an important update in regards to improvements, stability, and obviously security fixes. So that's our March Patch Tuesday security update for Windows 10 ESU KB5078885. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.